Good morning, everyone. So, we are heading towards our next chapter from your English grammar book, right? New Grammar Tree, that is the name of your book, right? So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 27, and its topic is adverbs. So, have you ever heard the name adverb? Do you know what this adverb mean? What are the kinds? What are the types of adverbs? Have you ever heard about this topic ever in your life? In your previous classes? Have you ever? If you have, then what are the memories of the adverbs you have? Like, what is adverb? Do you know about it? If you know, just write this what is adverb in your comment section, or you can also write no, I don't know about the adverb. Okay, you can just simply write there no, I don't know about adverb, and watch this video till end. Okay, let's see. So if you don't know what is adverb, you won't be able to fill these blanks, right? So for filling these blanks, you need to watch the complete video of this adverb chapter, right? Understand what is adverb, and then only you will be able to fill these blanks with this given adverb in the box. So what you are waiting for? Let's continue then. Okay? So, adverbs. Adverbs are words that usually modifies verb, adjective and other adverb. Okay. So, what is adverb? Adverb is a word which modifies verb, adjectives and other adverbs. They add something to the meaning of a verb. The adjective and the adverb they modify. Just as an adjective add meaning to the noun, it qualifies. जैसे आपको पता है दिस इज अ बेंच राइट इट इज अ नाउन बट व्हेन वी आर सेइंग इट इज अ हैवी बेंच मतलब बेंच कैसा है हैवी है उसको उसमें कुछ मीनिंग ऐड कर दिया ना वो ज़्यादा मॉडिफाई कर रहा है कि वो बेंच कैसा है तो इट सेट्स टू बी एन एडजेक्टिव राइट लेकिन जब हम लोग वर्ब या एडजेक्टिव या किसी एडवर्ब को मॉडिफाई करते हैं एकदम सेम वैसा ही हम लोग को करना है लाइक इट विल ऐड समथिंग टू द वर्ब समथिंग टू द एडजेक्टिव एंड समथिंग टू द एडवर्ब ओके बहुत अच्छी मीनिंग्स उसमें ऐड कर देते हैं एंड फॉर दैट विल से दैट इज एन एडवर्ब राइट सो वी कैन से शी इज टॉल राइट शी इज टॉल वो लंबी है बट वेन वी से शी इज वेरी टॉल तो it modifies tall which is a what which is a adjective right and very is an adverb वो tall के बारे में वो लड़की के बारे में और भी ज़्यादा बोल रहा है ठीक है she sings he sings वो गाता है but when we are adding beautifully he sings beautifully वो गाता तो है लेकिन वो बहुत अच्छे से गाता है and there will say it modifies a verb sing okay your cousin speak softly. Your cousin speaks softly. Cousin कैसे बोलते हैं softly. But when we'll say your cousin speaks too softly. बहुत softly बात करते हैं. Then we can say adverb is added and it add more. It added more meaning to the word like adverb, adjective and a verb. Okay. So adverbs can also modify other word or classes like it can modify whole sentence also ठीक है पूरे sentence को भी modify कर सकता है जैसे you can say hardly anybody believed her है ना anybody believed her but hardly modifying the indefinite pronoun anybody है ना फिर the nail went smoothly through the door here it is modifying a preposition also and she is quite a genius modifying the noun phrase here genius मतलब ये मैं बोल सकती हूँ like adverb is it has a function of modifying this adverb and adjective but also it also modifies some other word class that is prepositions or we can say pronoun also indefinite pronoun or we can also say it modifies a noun phrase also but in the other cases not generally okay in a very rare case we can say okay So now what you have to do is that underline the verb, underline the adverb in each of the following sentences and state what the adverb modifies. Adverb यहाँ पे किसको modify कर रहा है, ठीक है? So how you will do that? First of all, read the sentence and ask the question. Ask the question: how, when, where, like how many times, how often. ऐसा क्वेश्चन करोगे, अगर आंसर आ जाता है देन इट इज सेड टू बी एन एडवर्ब. और वो किसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, वर्ब को, एडजेक्टिव को या एडवर्ब को, किसको मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, ठीक है? जैसे वन हैज़ बिन डन फॉर यू हेयर, लाइक इट इज़ रिटन दे हैवंट येट रिटन बैक, है ना? तो वहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? येट मॉडिफाइज whom. येट इज़ एन एडवर्ब विच मॉडिफाइज द वर्ब रिटन. एज नाउन के पहले एडजेक्टिव यूज़ किया जाता है, तो सिमिलरली एडवर्ब भी एक वर्ब, एक एडवर्ब और एक एडजेक्टिव के पहले प्लेस किया जाएगा, ठीक है? Okay, let's see how many of you can find out the adverb in this sentence or what they modifies. So let's see. She still has to complete her work. She still has to complete her work. She has to complete her work, but she still have to complete her work. So let's see how many of you can find out the adverb in this sentence and what does it modifies. ओके तो आपको पता है कि एडवर्ब हमेशा किसी वर्ब के पहले, किसी एडवर्ब के पहले या किसी एडजेक्टिव के पहले. अगर एडजेक्टिव फाइंड आउट करना है तो नाउन फाइंड आउट करना होगा. नाउन के पहले एडजेक्टिव रहता है और एडजेक्टिव के पहले एडवर्ब रहेगा, तो यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड आउट, राइट? तो आई डोंट थिंक इट विल बी वेरी हार्ड फॉर यू, बिकॉज अगर आपको पहले का भी कुछ याद है तो इट विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू आइडेंटिफाई दैट. ओके, now here position of adverb. तो position of adverb varies and उसके meaning भी change होते रहते हैं. तो just see this is only for introduction it is given here. Depending upon where an adverb is placed, the meaning of sentence can change. Yes. So the decision where to place the adverb will depend upon what we want to say. हमें क्या बोलना है, for that we choose the adverb. Look at the placement of the adverb only in the following sentences. Only she gave him a letter. Here, what we can say, it modifies a pronoun here. In other case, I can say, she only gave him a letter. Only modifies the verb gave. She gave only a letter to him. Here, you can see only is referring to a noun phrase, a letter. She gave a letter only to him. Now we can say only here refers to the phrase to him, prepositional phrase it is said to be. Okay, so many of the things and wherever we are using this adverb, there we can say it modifies that only. ठीक है, उसके बाद जो भी रहेगा वो. So what this placement mean? Nobody else gave him a letter except, मतलब वो जो explanation दिया हुआ है कि यहाँ पर जो मीन्स जो मॉडिफाइज किया हुआ है, ये sentences का meaning दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. I think you can read it by your own कि इसका मतलब क्या है, ठीक है? Let's not discuss that more because that is the exceptional and it is not like necessary in this class. So moving on to the next kind means topic. This is like kinds of adverb we are going to learn. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just concentrate here and understand this all the thing. This is very important than that. That is also important, but it may be like in the further classes, like in your higher classes, you are going to study that, and it will be helpful. And there I can say it is given in a brief explanation. So just wrap there and let's continue from here. Kinds of adverbs. Okay, kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of time, adverb of place, and there are many. Okay, let's see from adverb of time what does this say. तो adverb of time we can also say कि read करते पता चल रहा है what it will modify, what its meaning is. This tell us about the time of an action and answer the question when in relation to the verb. वो verb से question करना होगा आपको when something happened today, yet, here, there, we can say. ठीक है, तो सॉरी, टुडे, नाउ, जस्ट, है ना, ये सारे क्या हो गए, एडवर्ब हो गए, एंड इट शोज द टाइम व्हेन समथिंग हैपेंड, और ये वर्ब से क्वेश्चन करना होगा. ठीक है. Adverb of place. This tell us about the location of an action and answer the question where. जब adverb of place को find out करना होगा तो you just first of all you have to find the adverb. अब आपसे question करना होगा where का question करते हुए अगर आपको answer मिल जाता है then it is said to be in adverb of place. जैसे to find a hotel we need to walk further. Where we have to walk? We have to walk further. आगे और चलना होगा. ठीक है. Hurt by her behavior, he walked away. He walked where? He walked away. Okay. Now, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner what? Adverb of manner tells about the quality of an action and answer the question how in the relation of the verb. Now you have to ask the question from the verb and you have to ask the question what? How. And it says how something happened. What is the quality of the action? Okay. One green box is given here. Just see that. If you get confused between an emphasizing adjective and adverb of degree, remember that an adjective must qualify a noun, an adverb must qualify a verb, an adverb or an adjective, right? So chalo. These are his very words. Okay, very is like an adjective qualifying the noun words, but this is very stupid. Here, stupid is an adjective and very is an adverb because it qualifies stupid adjective. तो we can know adverb qualify करता है adjective को. ठीक है. तो these are the basic thing which you have to remember कि अगर adverb of degree है तो वो adverb like modify करेगा verb adjective या adverb को ही, लेकिन अगर emphasizing adjective है तो वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ noun को ही करेगा modifies. Okay. चलो, let's see. Adverb of degree. This tell us about the intensity of an action. They can modify a verb, an adjective or an adverb. चलो, intensity बताता है कि how something badly और how something is. ठीक है, how something is. तो it is too cold. How something is cold कैसा है, तो too cold. I have had enough. मेरे पास कैसा मतलब क्या है, तो I had have enough. Enough means बहुत. Adverbs of frequency. Now it's about adverb of frequency. It tells how frequently an action takes place and answer the question how often. Okay. Adverb of frequency का मतलब है how often, कितनी बार. ठीक है. When you will ask the question कितनी बार, how often something happened to the verb, then the answer will be your adverb and it shows like adverb of frequency it is. Okay. I rarely, कितनी बार, तो I rarely, बहुत कम. She never allows student to talk in the class. कितनी बार, तो never, कभी नहीं. ठीक है. Adverb reason. reason मतलब आपके पास कोई like means वजह होनी चाहिए. तो adverb reason means because, since, as and that. These are the reason words which are known as adverb reason and they tell us why some action took place. ठीक है. Why some action took place. क्यों वो action हुआ. Because this, as I am, since this was, like this we can say. These are known as adverb of reasons. Okay. Now it's about adverb of negation. What does this mean? Adverb of negation, they refers like almost never. Some of the word is given which you have to remember. Adverb of negation का word आपको remember करना पड़ेगा. Almost, never, no longer, hardly, rarely, scarcely, and not, or words such as was not, have not are examples of adverb of negation. They are used before the verb. Okay, and they are also used before the adjective and adverb also, right? तो आप अगर ऐसे वर्ड adverb of negation ऐसे वर्ड रहते हैं तो they are known as adverb also and they are also known as adverb of negation क्योंकि वो adverb का टाइप ही है. ठीक है. So you have to remember this word. I'm going to ask you by the like after this video I'm going to ask this, otherwise you just write it down on your copy or somewhere. So be ready for this answering this question. What is like adverb of negation में क्या क्या है, adverb of reason में क्या है, adverb of frequency क्या question करता है, adverb of degree क्या question करता है, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, ये सारे क्या question करते हैं. And further we are going to see adverb affirmation. What is this affirmation? So these are like some word is given which you have to, again you have to memorize. Just write it down on your note copy and get ready to answer the question, like certainly, definitely, exactly, doubtlessly, obviously, really, positively, truly, sure, surely are some adverb affirmation. They are used in a sentence to declare that is true. Like, okay, fine, this is true, amazing. Like something which is not expected, but yes, it is the truth fact, we can say, okay. And some examples are also given. You just go through that. My work is to just clear you what this mean, what this topic, what this type mean, and you have to just write it down on your note copy and just be ready with these answers also. Now, interrogative adverb. Not all are interrogative adverb. Okay. See, interrogative pronoun is different. Interrogative adverb is different. You both, these both you have to write. These both are used for asking questions. I must say that, but they are in different. Whom, who, whose, what, and which. These are interrogative pronoun. Where interrogative adverbs are when, where, how, and why. Okay, so these both are used to asking questions, and they are also used at the beginning of the sentences, and these are so on. Okay, but you have to remember this, and also you have to write it down on your notebook and get ready to answer the question, what is the difference between interrogative pronoun and what is the difference between interrogative adverb. Okay, interrogative adjective भी है, right? Remember, याद है? Okay, relative adverbs. These refer back to the action in the sentence and modifies the verb, or they might modify an adjective also. Okay. Again, relative pronoun क्या है और relative adverb क्या है, दोनों आप देख लो. They are used between the sentences. ऐसा नहीं है कि who, whom, whose, they के आप सीधा बोल दो, oh this is interrogative adverb. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. They are used in between the sentences to add the sentences. Okay, and that is why it is said to be an relative adverb और रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन. रिलेटिव मीन्स दो चीज़ को जोड़ना, रिलेशन दिखाना. ठीक है. दे आर यूज इन बिटवीन द सेंटेंसेस, एंड व्हाट दे लाइक रिलेट, सबके अलग अलग होते हैं. जैसे रिलेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम व्हेन है, वैसे व्हेन है, वेयर है तो रिलेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस, हाउ है रिलेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ this we can say manner, why है तो we can say relative adverb of reason, how often है relative adverb of frequency we can say, है ना. तो ये सारी चीज़ यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, एंड जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट. क्योंकि देखो एडवर्ब का सारा टाइप है, लेकिन अगर व्हेन, वेयर, हाउ, वाई, हाउ ऑफन है तो वी कैन नो किस लिए यूज है. व्हेन तो एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है, वेयर एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस है, हाउ एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर है, वाई एडवर्ब ऑफ रीजन है, हाउ ऑफन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी. तो उसके आगे बस रिलेटिव लगाना है एंड दैट्स ऑल. ओके. Sentence adverb. What is the sentence adverb? So these modify a complete sentence and not a part of it. They are usually formed by adding ly to this adjective and are placed at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. तो ये एक ऐसे एडवर्ब होते हैं जो ly लगे रहते हैं उसमें, और ये आगे में, सबसे आगे में यूज़ किया हुआ रहता है, एंड दे समटाइम refers to our opinion, or we can say they are not the part of the sentence but also they refers a complete sentence. ठीक है, पूरे sentence को वो modify करते but they are not the part of the sentence. Obviously, surely, fortunately, certainly, some बहुत सारे आएंगे जो beginning of the sentences में use होते हैं और add और अपने end में ly add करते हैं. Okay. So example is already given, just go through this all the things. So we have seen sentence adverb, relative adverb, interrogative adverb, adverb of affirmation, adverb of negation, adverb of reason, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. We have seen these all the things. Just remember. And after this video, I'm going to ask you a few questions what I have given you. Just write it down on your note copy now also, and be ready for answering the question. Okay, so this is all about adverb chapter, and some more exercises given. I have also given that exercise for your assignment. Just go through that, and this is all about today. So hope you guys have understood this adverb chapter, and now you can complete this chapter. Okay, this exercise I can say. So this is all about today. Have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.